So today I'm going to talk about an incredibly important subject, lead assignment and lead routing. You need to get your internet leads to the appropriate person at the appropriate time, and you need to get the appropriate lead to them. So first of all, what's the most important thing in assignment? Speed. Speed is one of the most important factors in lead conversion with regards to making a phone call. If you receive an internet lead and it sits there, it is literally dying on the vine. So make sure, whatever you do, build a process where you receive your leads and you call them quickly. Another big important thing is the types of distribution methods, how to assign those leads. There are a few different ways to do that. One of the ways to do that is pull assignment. You receive a lead, and your users are allowed to basically pull that lead. They can request the lead. They request the lead is delivered, and then they call it. Another way to deliver leads is through push assignment. And what that does is when an internet lead comes in, it is automatically assigned to a specific user on your team based on a set of rules. Another way to route your leads is through round-robin distribution. And it's very basic. A lead comes in, it's sent to user A, another lead comes in, it's sent to user B, user C, so on and so forth. And that is one of the most simple ways to assign leads, and it's not something that I necessarily recommend. Another way is through skills-based routing. Skills-based routing is where an internet lead comes in, and you as a manager can define a set of rules for who that should go to. And those set of rules are typically based on the skills. So for example, you might have Texas leads go to somebody that is actually from Texas. You might have very high ticket items go to one of your higher skilled sales reps that is experienced with that type of product. My favorite way of routing internet leads is a hybrid between skills-based routing and push distribution. The way that I recommend a company routes their leads is to push the lead out to a user who is available right at that moment to call the lead. Again, speed is one of the most critical factors. So if you assign a lead to someone that's not available, it's not going to get called, and that's no good. Instead, you want to push it out to a user who is available right now, or who will the next user that becomes available as quick as possible. And better yet, if you can give that to an individual, especially if you have multiple salespeople on your team, if you can assign that lead to a user that is available now, but also is perfectly skilled at responding to that type of lead. So choose a method that makes sense for your business and track your performance, and pretty soon you'll see that your conversions will skyrocket.